Good morning to all. Today I like to discuss you the third paper of biophysics in semester 5, and the topic is artificial neural network. In this artificial neural network, in the previous video we have discussed the basics of the artificial neural network. The concept of neural network has been taken from the biological neural network. The networks which connects the processing information in our brain, and the analogy of this processing, we consider this as artificial neural network. And then there are three parts of a neurons. One is head, then body, and other is tail. These three parts of a neuron, body, head and tail, have different parts as per the importance of its activity, like head soma, nucleus and dendrite. The body of this is axon which pass the electrical signals from one step to another step inside the axons, and synapses are used to pass the output from one neuron to other neuron. And then this kind of connectivity is defined. Now, when the output of a set of network is not in the form of or in the desirable way of output that is expected from a network, then we have to find out error. For the determination of error, we need the delta rule. That certain rule is known as delta rule. In order to verify the output of the network and the desirable output can be validated by use of this delta rule. For this, we have to draw a circuit, that is, we take this input section in the digital form, that is 0, 1. Here it is the inputs x1, x2, x3 with the weight factors omega 1, omega 2, omega 3. And in order to set the weight, we consider this omega 0, that is leveler, with the input plus 1, and this output is passed through a error mechanism. This error mechanism, that is the error, how much error is there, and this error is, suppose this is D, desirable output minus actual output, gives the form of error. And this error can be reset by these two inputs minus 1 and plus 1. Then it is passed through the processing unit, that is quantifier again, which is something like step function, sine functions and sigmoid function, as the case may be. We consider here as a sine function, that is minus 1 and plus 1 at a certain threshold of the time, and then you finally the output. This output, the output can be expressed as y of p is equal to summation of p omega j p into x j. The derivative of this output, that is delta y p of delta omega j is x j. The function of error is delta E of p is equal to delta of del E of del omega j, or this delta del E by delta y p and delta y p of delta omega j, where this delta p is nothing but 1 by 2 of this p dp minus yp whole square. So, with this negative sign as well, so gamma and this is 1 by 2 of the summation of p dp minus yp, this is 1 minus and then here it is xj. So, what we have here it is 2 as well. So, this 2 cancel, minus j and this minus plus and this is dp minus yp and this xj. So, this is gamma delta p into xj is this delta EP. So, this delta P is desirable minus actual output and this is known as delta rule. So, from the basis of this delta rule mechanism, we find it the validity of network. In this way, we use to train the network after validation and then we adopt it. So, this is all about the delta rule. On the next term, we will discuss some other topics of the artificial neural network. Thank you.